deport your own son. Pikin wey no carry come abroad. Isha ekia, Isha ekia, Isha ekia. No, but now pikin una deport. Now pikin una deport. Shame or disgrace. When they talk say people na enemy of progress, share the word, the Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Ikwale, Akwa Ibom, all of them now go they see what people they talk. Now that one they want cover. Isha ekia, Isha ekia, Isha ekia. Una do this one, sha. Isha ekia. Una do this one, sha. Una Isha. I see Isha people like shit. Isha. Now this one I made they say they kill that say ask Peter Ituna. His first son he use and do ritual. His second pikin of Peter Ituna. He dey Nigeria, they mad. The third one I be Benjamin. He say they find where he wants to kill and shop. The fourth one when he bought for Jamie, pikin when that one born, no, he use Anthony Bessa. Pikin when he bought for Peter Ituna. The girl born. The pikin when that girl born, Peter Ituna use Anthony ritual. He turned the pikin to him Bessa. The pikin 7, 8 years, not the waka. Peter Ituna use Ogboni to spoil that one pikin. Where how many we want to talk? Now make you see me if I say, they carry my children, they run away from Isha people. They carry my kid, they run away from Peter Ituna. Say Isha people now wish now say na lie. The Oyibo we no know about and when he leave pikin for Peter Ituna. Peter Ituna use the pikin to do ritual as they turn. I don't turn the pikin to him Bessa. The pikin when Oyibo born for Peter Ituna. The pikin when that one born, girl when he born, Peter Ituna turn to him Bessa. If I dey lie, tell Peter Ituna may bring the pikin picture come as whether he go good. The pikin not the feed the sit down. Now so spit the pikin they spit. Peter Ituna use and turn him Bessa. 4 children when Peter Ituna born, one don't die. The second pikin girl, Grillo, he dey Nigeria dey Chris. The third one when he still manage himself come abroad when be Benjamin. Madam, say I not dey see you for my platform again. Not dey climb my platform. I go block you. Not dey climb my platform because now those of no want the truth. No want make the truth come outside. Not dey climb my platform again, madam. UFUOMUASA. I not go square for pronounce your name. Not dey call my platform. I don't want you. I'll soon block you. My people, the one, his second daughter now, they Nigeria, they mad. Peter Ituna, Isha man, he dey Nigeria, they mad. Benjamin, when he still by himself, come abroad, when not carry come. He can't find where he wants to sell the Peking, give German government, may he send the Peking, go back. When I turn and say that for those the poor Benjamin is then I made the poor body. Show not to say I dey lie. Only once now me you quickly go Nigeria. Now when me and I know you today we take go Nigeria, and I tell them made the whole land for them. Show when I turn and say I made the protect Benjamin is then when they never deport and say I dey lie. Isha ekia, Isha ekia, Isha azen. See on a life. Now they see my city they talk. See on a life. Isha people, wanna come outside though. Papa get passport, he no carry pikin come abroad. He join them, made the deport. Only pikin, only son when he come dey. Only son 2, he don't kill the shop. He don't kill 4 son eat. The second one now he nowhere. He decrease. As with the thoughts of that one, get he decrease for Ishan land now. They pick paper, they go for streets. Now only Benjamin can remain na Peter Ituna. See what say me something happen to them. The one who you bossy born for Germany when he take get passport. Peter Ituna still sit down. Turn that one pikin to him bedside. When I turn and say, wait, maybe they run for Ishan people, they run for Peter Ituna when be Ishan who me be do too. May not use my children, take Tony Bessa. Show not say they lie. Or you no say the man a ritualist. Now made the man wrong. This is the reason I know Esan people. Mentally, Tina. You don't see this one before, my love, Tina. I don't know whether you be Ishan, not verse for me, my love. Because this thing when it happens, so it never happened for history. Peter Ituna get 3 children when Mama Benjamin born. He killed the 1st son shop. Kisley. That was supposed to be around 46, 48 years now. He killed and shop. They carry that one e-tester. Peter Ituna send the Ogboni people, make they go collect the e-tester. Make they send and come give him for abroad. Make it shop on. I can son first pikin die. Peter Ituna send the Ogboni people go there. Make they go collect the e-tester come. They will remove grown up pikin when you don't buy. Peter Ituna say make they leave that pikin. Say na he born am. Say make they carry e-tester. They tear that boy belle Kisley. They remove all the e-tester. Come give Peter Ituna for abroad. The Ogboni people wear black and black. Come wear pikin for die. Una don't see that one. You don't see if they talk. Una say Vera they lie. Say Benjamin say use the man talk many that day. Una say Vera dey lie, Vera dey lie. Waiting my eyes see self. You self go wrong. A old person pikin die. He send your bony people go there. Make them go collect tester. They tear the pikin belle. They remove all the tester when they belle. Go reach kidney and liver. They remove everything. Now empty belle they take bury that boy. Oh God. He never still take. The second pikin will be Grillo daughter. That one start to the mad. Make it go Papa Benjamin village go do marriage. As you do marriage finish all the rich house. Now he start madness. Till today for more than 15 years that woman don dey mad. He dey road. Peter Tuna if I like carry me go juju. Oh. Till tomorrow as we talk so the girl dey road see the mad for Esan land. Now Peter Tuna do one. When the girl never go Peter Tuna village, he no mad though the lady Natisha. Natisha now they do. As you go Peter Tuna village go do marriage. As they do marriage finish, your rich as the next day, now he put cloth enter street. As we they talk to tomorrow, so tell Peter Tuna if I lie. He then Nigeria they mad. That one cause he finish now. Benjamin cause he manage himself come abroad. Peter Tuna do finish. He still find. He don't find where to carry pikin go back. Now me they put body based on say I they let them know say I born for am. Me I no go gree. Me I born for am. Me I no go gree. Me I born for am. Me I no go gree. Now I make you see say Benjamin take rich like this for abroad. Peter Tuna don't take since 2017, 2018. Don't defend when one carry pikin go back. He say he want make his enemy buy for Nigeria. If I lie, me Benjamin can't if I lie. He say Benjamin, if you go Nigeria, you want me go buy for Nigeria. 3 children when Papa Benjamin, but he want me all of them perish. He purposely tell them make the deport the pikin go back to Nigeria. Yes, Mona ask am whether I lie. So for those of my way they tell Esan. If you see Esan people, borrow leg, join leg, run. Benin not good though. No tribe too good though. Benin not good, Yoruba not good, Hausa not good, Igbo not good. But you see Esan people. You see Esan people. Sister, if you see them, ask me at this one, I shall born for. I see this my 2 daughters and my son. If they carry Esan woman come my house, if they carry Esan man come my house, I go rebuke them. In other one, they'll say I not be their mama. Me, I go accept them. I'm telling you, you see Esan people. Now I make you say that they cover our up and down. They don't want me we talk. Esan people support the papa make it carry your pikin go house. Yes, my children are Esan, of course. But you see my children bringing Esan man or woman to my house, I will allow them to go and marry Ogoja, Taraba, Calabar, Igbo, Hausa, Ogoja. Yes. If my son want marry Ogoja, I go stand, I go Taraba, I go there. If you want marry Taraba or that tribe, I go dance, I go. You see Esan. Eda na Obraja, na Romeo, na Ewohimi, na Ewato, na Ekboma, na Urom, Fiakwa. Go and call this video. Go and keep it. Because me will not be Esan. I see what the Esan people do to their own pikin. I fear my head. I fear my life. I fear my head. I fear my life. If you see where Papa Benjamin they talk, you go just they see witch go just they appear for person. You know when they say they be witch. Esan people are the most witch in Nigeria. They are the number 1. Take it or leave Esan. They are the number 1 witch in Nigeria. See how they say Taraba, Igbo, Yoruba. With the learn for Benin, all that try they learn for where Esan they. Esan people are the number 1 witch. Take it or leave it. Oh, now you know because wait till me see Papa Benjamin see. Oh, una no believe. Me and you forget here. You see Esan people. Sister, if you dey here, you dey watch me. Your son they grow, they call you get pikin, you get boy. Pray. Make it not near Esan person. Esan man, Esan woman. Pray. Not agree, oh. Not agree. Because if you new enter, you not go understand. Time they go, they call they possess their wish. You will come they imagine your life and yourself. Say, these kind of people they exist for this real life. This one not be too local. You go they say so this kind of thing they exist for real life. You go they see them by yourself. You understand? So take it or leave it. I'm telling you the truth. Wait till Papa do your pikin. Let me they tell you so. So if you like, you can say Vera na this. It not concern me. Now you know na that one. Stop insulting Esan. You mad? Or good they kill you. Wait till make una not insult Papa Benjamin. Say wait till you do pikin no good. If I bola wa yagbu wa sungu. Now God go punish all of you now. I never get time to do video. You know me now. I never get time to do video for Esan people. I want the work on here. Esan people take wayward. When none of una fit talk wetin Papa Benjamin do to your pikin. Una they blame Benjamin, they blame me. I they come here Esan people. I never get time. Esan, Me denwa. I won't go tell the Calabar Igbo. Me the conscious Isha people take wayward. Adiuna they cover Papa Benjamin. When Papa Benjamin called them with his wife and the German people made they return your Pekin. When you no carry come abroad. When you no beat her one day. Benjamin no beat her one day. Benjamin no commit crime one day. He no touch his papa one day. Una say me we cover him. We not go cover him. It can never be covered. I go Isha people to the world so that anybody see una they go they run. Carry my name go anywhere soon. Another shame. Papa get passport for country, not carry pikin come abroad, not give pikin passport. He still joy because he want thief him own grand pikin sell and give government because he did Germany for 28 years. Life not better. He dey find pikin when he want sell. The two pikin when Mama Benjamin born, he kill one, carry a tester. The second one dey Nigeria dey mad. Now Benjamin own now he won't still join again. The first son he no quick and born before he kill and shop. Thank God say he even quick Benjamin born. He no fit kill Benjamin eat. Papa when they talk say no worry I go buy you. Papa when they open mouth they talk say no worry me go buy you. So that will not be wish. Now no na body I for see am because I never see Papa when they tell you pikin say I go buy you shop. I go buy you shop. I go buy you shop. Na Peter Ituna matter for this year. Peter Ituna mat now for the year Papa Benjamin Shaman Uromi man. Isha na Uromio. Na obedish, na obeduo, na ewohimio, ewato, ekboma. You see all those people run away from them because all the old Isha people now know wetin Peter Ituna do. They want cover and they want cover and they don't want make people hear am. All the Isha know wetin they go on. They know wetin the man do. Isha people want sit down put. Mona no worry. Una might go there. Isha people, and they can't tell the worldwide how una take wayward. Isha. And they can't say the worldwide. If you don't know where to go from, Mona they call Peter Ituna. Mona you they call Papa Benjamin. Mona you they call Papa Benjamin. Because all of you pretend now say stop. All of you they call Papa Ben. And all of you they phone us. Don't know what Papa Benjamin do. Now you know carry pikin come abroad. Now you know give a document. Or he start to live. Like people will not notice that he carry. He go the last and he carry Benjamin come abroad. Meanwhile, Papa Benjamin no carry Benjamin come abroad. He no give a document. Benjamin no fight and one day. He no go see video break because say Benjamin come beat me for my house. My man leave and make it do you. My man leave and make it they do you. Wait till come make her. When shame and disgrace no come let her rest. Disgrace no.